In this video, I will take a deep dive into ChatGPT Atlas to help you decide if this specialized tool is worth your time. For anyone feeling overwhelmed by the sheer scale of OpenAI technology, Atlas aims to be the ultimate navigation layer. It essentially acts as a structured interface designed to organize your workflows and make complex prompting a thing of the past. One major advantage is how it handles data visualization and mapping, which are areas where the standard interface often struggles. It feels much more like a workspace than a simple chat box, allowing users to connect ideas in a way that feels organic and intuitive. However, no tool is perfect, and Atlas does have some drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep for beginners who just want a quick answer to a question. Furthermore, the pricing model might feel a bit heavy if you are already paying for a standard subscription. On the positive side, the way it manages context over long projects is significantly better than the basic setup. You won't find yourself constantly reminding the AI about previous details because the organizational structure keeps everything in focus. It is perfect for researchers, writers, and power users who need to manage massive amounts of information without losing the thread. While the standard ChatGPT is great for casual use, Atlas is clearly built for productivity and depth. Whether you should switch depends entirely on your specific workload. If you find yourself getting lost in endless threads and losing track of your goals, then the structured environment of Atlas might be exactly what you need to stay organized and efficient.